Our Career Day presentation. We have 4 groups today. The first group is Paul and Eric. They are genetic engineers. Welcome them.
What is genetic engineering? It is when you knock out bad DNA, also known as bad genes. For example, you don't like your dog's hair color, and you want to change it to yellow. You can't change it now, but what you can do is you can change its offspring's color, putting the right DNA into the dog's offspring, but it will still have to be an egg of this. The first step of the basic components of the DNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. You can arrange them any way as long as it is in a pattern. Add the DNA into the cell membrane to produce the second step of the genetic engineering. When you put the new cell membrane into any animal that's ready to produce offspring, notice that not all new DNA can bond with the original species. This is what happens inside. Getting anything from a failure to an absolute new species, but sometimes the new species are still a failure, like having too much legs, losing limbs, no eyes, only live for a few hours. My favorite part about this job is that I've always liked animals, and the best part about it is when you succeed in what you are working on. The bad part is seeing animals die. It would always feel a strong pain of guilt to kill a harmless animal. I chose this job because since I was 7, I've always dreamed of creating other animals beyond our imagination. Why is this job so important? This job is important because sooner or later, the Earth is going to self-destruct and we'll have to adapt to strong radiation and sudden change in temperature in space. But if you have us, we can change our DNA with any animal that's more suitable to the surroundings of the space. Unfortunately, that animal is a cockroach. Notice, think of yourself being half cockroach, half human. It's pretty bad. Thank you for participating today for our presentation. And research gather Eric. Any questions? Sorry?
What kind of animal do you want to create?
Eric.
Worm? Alright.
If you said that like the world will self-destruct and we'll have to burn yourself with cockroaches, because you said you might have lose an eye or lose eyesight and more limbs.
Well, that's because sometimes the DNA can't bond with the other DNA that's in the humans. But if you get the right codes, you can actually. Isabel?
But still, we might have too many limbs, so we might all end up with 6 legs.
It'll help you to move.
Okay, so far, what's the most successful example, most successful product that you have?
Some of them, we have made the bacteria. We have slowly put the DNA into the bacteria, and because bacteria isn't a living thing at the start, has to bond with another DNA to kind of reproduce.
Okay, good job. Woo! Thank you.
Lily, you look cool.